I recently made a video about some of the opportunities that we have currently open at CERN, and I had some messages and some comments asking me specifically about the applied physics part. So let's talk about that. At CERN, applied physics usually talks about either the design, the construction, or the operation of the accelerator systems that we have at CERN, or of the detector systems that we have at CERN, so the detectors for the experiments. And this doesn't mean that you wouldn't be involved in research, far from it. There's lots of really interesting research to be done in these areas, but you're specifically looking at the accelerators or the detectors and not on the data that comes from the collisions from those detectors. And so some countries do have an applied physics degree, in which case that sounds really simple. But if you don't have that, or you're not doing that degree, it doesn't mean you can't apply for one of these positions. You could also be doing an engineering degree in many different types of engineering, or you could be doing a physics degree and doing the standard core modules of a physics degree. But what's really important when you apply to one of these positions is you have to keep in mind the areas that you might be working in if you were successful, and to tailor your applications to those positions. So you want to be talking about any applied experience that you have, any sort of lab work experience, your programming skills, that kind of thing, so that you can really highlight how you would fit into these programs. And so, as always, it's good to do as much research as you can before you submit your application, but remember the deadline is coming up very soon. So yeah, good luck, and let me know if you have any more questions that I can help with before the deadline.